Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I am going to provide you the information about the new Unacademy Plus courses. And these are the courses which are going to start in recent days. So if you are the one who was waiting for taking the subscription and who wanted to know about the new courses, the date when they are going to start, what are the new courses we are going to have, on which subjects we will have all these courses. So keep on watching this video till the end. You will get to know about all these new upcoming courses on Unacademy Plus, and all these courses will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam and all other similar exams. So I hope this video is going to help you to know about all these new courses and to know about it, how these courses can help you in your preparation too. If you want to attend the live sessions of all these courses from the starting, or even any course which is already going on, you want to start attending the sessions of the other courses too, okay, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. By using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. So you just need to write it as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. Also guys, spelling should be same, okay. Now let's start the discussion about all these new courses. I will quickly tell you about their starting date and the name of the course. So the first one I have mentioned here is detailed course on electromagnetic theory, which is starting on 3rd March. If any course name you are gonna find like, okay, this course is also about one particular subject and the other course mentioned here is also about that subject, so know one thing. On Unacademy Plus, or after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live sessions and the well structured and well planned courses by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus. So in this way, by different educators, you will have the sessions and the courses. So in this way, you will have more options, okay, more opportunity to learn a particular concept or a subject. So that's how guys, this thing can even help you more, okay, that if you are not getting the concepts or a subject discussion from one educator, you can just check out the other educator's course as well. So that's how this subscription can even help you. Now let's talk about the another course. It is going to be detailed course on quantum mechanics, which is starting from 3rd March. Complete course on quantitative aptitude, because we all know in the part A of CSIR net exam we are going to have the quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general science based questions. So this is going to be for part A preparation. Even these discussion which we are going to have in the quantitative aptitude or reasoning portion can sometimes even help us to solve the questions in the other two parts too, that is part B and part C. Now let's even talk about this thing. The another course we are going to have is course to prepare thermodynamics and statistical physics, starting on 3rd March. Crash course on electromagnetic theory also starting from 3rd March. Detailed course on condensed matter physics starting from 3rd March. Detailed course on mathematical physics, starting date 3rd March. Axial atomic and molecular physics for June 2021, starting date has been mentioned here, which is 3rd March again. Practice course on important subjects for CSIR net, and this is for the physical science, which means physics. So starting from 5th March, okay. Concept builder course on mathematical physics starting from 4th March. Detailed course on thermodynamics and statistical physics 1st April, okay. Then prepare electronics easily and effectively for CSIR and GATE starting from 1st April. Excel nuclear and particle physics for June 2021, 1st April. Then detailed course on advanced quantum mechanics 3rd April, and then digital electronics courses there, and many other courses we will have in April as well. So right now I have mentioned most of the courses from March along with these courses which I am showing you here right now. Even you can have more courses, okay, which will start in March. So I have tried to let you know about most of the courses. So except these ones, you can even have more courses which will start in March. Now if you think you need the guidance by the top educators, you want to know about the important concepts, tricks, and like you want to prepare these subjects very well with the guidance of top educators, then you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you can start attending the sessions of these courses from the starting without even missing any session. Okay, and you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also guys, as I've told you in the starting, that if you are going to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. By using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now one more thing I would like to tell you here guys, that is, if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes of well structured and well planned courses by all the top educators, okay, for your upcoming exam preparation. Also in each and every course, we are also going to have the doubt clearing sessions. So you will even be able to ask about your doubts if something is not getting clear once you have watched the session, you have attended the live session. So doubt clearing sessions are going to be there in each and every course. You will be able to ask about them, like your doubts, in the doubt clearing sessions. Mock test will even be there, okay. Along with all these benefits guys, let's say any course which is already going on, okay, and you want to continue with the sessions of that course, so recordings of the live sessions will be available. So even if you have missed any sessions, you can watch the recordings and you can cover up that part. Or any day if you are gonna miss the live session, you can watch the recordings later on and you will be able to cover up each and every point. Okay, and if there will be any doubt by chance, so in the doubt clearing sessions you will be able to ask about them. Okay, so I hope now everything will be clear to all of you guys, and most of you are asking about the new courses, what are the new courses, the subjects and the starting date and all. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for all of you, and as I have told you about this thing, there can be even more and more courses which will start in this month. Okay, so here I have just tried to provide you most of the courses. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also you can, okay, one more thing, if you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, so what are the steps you have to follow? So first thing you can do is download the Unacademy learning app, or directly you can search Unacademy Plus, okay, on Google. So when you are going to search that, you will have to log in there. Once you will log in, now you will proceed further to take the subscription. Subscription will be available for different duration, and as per the duration you will select like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. There will be the amount which will be visible to you corresponding to that, okay, and accordingly you can proceed further, and you will get a place to write the referral code. So at that place you can write this referral code and you can just apply it. At the same time you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Even many batch courses are gonna start on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to join all of them, okay, all these courses from the starting, you can take the subscription. And as I have told you about all the things, I hope everything will be clear to all of you guys. But if there will be any doubt, you can let me know about that. I will try to clear those points too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.